Joe Drake here, one of the co-authors of the Complete Guide to Landmine Training. And the landmine is a killer core training tool, especially in a way that a lot of people don't normally train their core. And what I mean by that is that almost all the movements we do, especially some of the exercises with the landmine, where we get into what I call like a really long lever position when the arms are overhead, or the further away that barbell is for the ground, the more that barbell wants to either rotate the body or take us a little back and forth in that frontal plane. With truthfully, for a lot of people, training the rotational muscles and some of the lateral muscles of the core is oftentimes missed out in a lot of people's training programs. So even with some of our upper body movements that we might be doing, the core is working pretty intensely the entire time to fight that side-to-side motion. And then even once we get into core specific exercises, there's been some good research to show that if we can train the core while we've got both the shoulders and the hips engaged, we actually get a higher level of core engagement, especially in comparison to exercises that we commonly do from the ground. They're great for the core, but if you think about it, day to day as we're moving around, oftentimes it's our shoulders connecting to our hips and everything else in between, and so we get a different level of core engagement, and it's why the landmine is an amazing core training tool.